Hello and welcome to this channel. If you have a message such as your account is restricted, you are not allowed to create ads, or you are not allowed to use Meta products to advertise. This is because you didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies or other standards. This video will help you to be able to get your account reinstated. As you can see on the screen, this account is restricted and I'm going to reinstate it. I have reinstated over 2,000 Facebook accounts in the last 2 years. And I have even myself, my personal account has been disabled several times. My business manager, my Facebook account, user advertising access, my business manager, my other account, my pages, and I have reinstated it. And I have done it for over 2,000 people worldwide. And I have been able to help them get back to advertise. If you have any problem, please don't hesitate to contact us by following the links in the description. At the end of this video, if you follow it, you may get a solution. But in case you follow it and you still don't get a solution, use the links in the description, get to us so that we can help you to be able to resolve your advertising restrictions, advertise, and be able to make more sales online. We also, apart from helping you resolve your advertising restrictions, we also do set up ad campaigns for you, and then to optimize, make sure advert is running well. And then we also sell accounts. So maybe if you want an advertising account to buy, or maybe you want either an advertising account, a business manager, a Facebook user account to buy, we have that available. Okay, so let me know whatever you will need. If you want to contact us, we can help you. Remember to also comment, leave your comments in the comment section, and then like this video and subscribe to this channel for more. Now let's go direct onto how we can solve this problem. Okay, so first of all, for those of you who may not be using a computer and you don't know how to come to account quality, you just have to come first of all, then you log into Facebook. So after you log into Facebook, you check on the bottom left-hand corner. You will see all. When you click on the see all, you see ad manager among them, ad manager. So you click on the ad manager and to open it on the new tab. Okay, so I'm opening the ad manager. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, your Facebook account is restricted from advertising. And then they have given all the info. So you can either see get started, or you will see get started. If you don't see get started, then you can, in fact, if it is a user account or other account, you will see get started. Then you can click and it will take you to account quality. However, if it's a business manager or if it is a page, sometimes you may not see any restriction information here, but you may have to go to account quality direct before you can see any advertising restriction. So in that case, you will you click on the three lines here and click on account quality. You see when you go to account quality, you see any advertising restriction you have. And because this one is a user account, I will just click on get started so that it will take me direct to account quality. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in account quality. They are asking me to upload my ID. So if you come to account quality like this, you can see all the issues that you have. This one, for example, if you check under Facebook account and you see any restriction, this is a user account. When you check account issues, if you have any issue, it will be you will see it there. If you check account status overview, if you have any issue it will say there. If you want to contact Facebook support, you click on this. Now, as you can see, we have to go direct to request a review. But before we request the review, we have to make certain corrections. What are those? One, we have to make sure that the name and the name on this Facebook account matches with the name on the identity identity confirmation document we are using. So for example, if you see the name here, or whatever name is on your account, when you check and you also check what is on the ID, and if the name you are using on Facebook and your identity card are not the same, make sure you make those corrections. Then after that is done, you make sure you change the birth date as well. So for this account, the name is matching. If the name is not matching, if your name is not matching, you click on the settings, go to settings and privacy. From there, you click settings. From settings, you go to you see personal and account information. If you may see name and contact info. If you don't see it and you see personal information and personal and account information, click on it. You will get to the name, and then you can edit the first and last name. You edit them if they are not exactly what is on the account. Then you come back to Facebook Home. You click on the name on the left hand corner. Go to the About section. You see contact and basic info. Then you put the birth date, and then you check the birth date, and then the birthday, that's the year, the day, and the month. If that doesn't match, and the gender, if anything is not matching, make sure you change it and adjust it accordingly. Do that. Okay, so when you are done, you come back to the account quality and request a review. You click on Get Started. They may ask you to confirm if you are a human being. So you follow the due process and confirm all that. Then you upload your image. After you do that, you click on continue. Okay, so the identity confirmation document has been submitted. They are asking for review of the identity. Continue to we're reviewing your information. You can no longer go on to request review of, you can go on to request review of your account. So we go on to request the review. So as you can see, why are you requesting the review? Then I have another reason. So what is the other reason that I have? Okay, I have to write a letter describing exactly what is happening. Okay, so I'm back with the letter I have written. I said via Facebook, my user account is restricted, and it's a big blow to my business because the core of my business depends on Facebook ad to sell. And I am asking them to really go into detail to look at, to review my account, and to, I know this will definitely be a mistake because I didn't violate any advertising policy. They should please forgive me if I made any mistake and reinstate my account for me. Then I will just submit the request for review. So when I submit the request for review, as you can see, they're saying review requested on March 6, 2023. So it's in progress, and within 48 hours, they will help me to get it reinstated. As I told you earlier, if you need our advertising, our assistance to get your Facebook account reinstated, do not hesitate to follow the WhatsApp button and to follow to WhatsApp to contact us. Yeah, we have a Zoom session where you can book for us to be on Zoom to look at your account in detail, to review it, to look at the problem that you have, and to help you get a solution. Okay, so once again, remember to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.